Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is gracing me soon to go for Umrah, I get always this question: what should I pack for Umrah? What should I take with me? And I put this for a reason. Don't worry about the bag. Don't worry about what you put in the bag. Don't worry about how many clothes you have to take, or this or that, or non-scented. Everything is there, alhamdulillah. And even if you forget, you still have and you can get. The most important thing we need to pack for our Umrah is the following. Number one, pure niyyah. You're going only for Him and nobody else. You want to please Him and nobody else. And remember what Sayyidina Moses said when Allah asked him why you came so quickly and left people behind you. And he said, Ya Allah, I came to you quickly so you are pleased with me. So pack this. I'm coming to you, Ya Allah, to be pleased with me. That's number one. Number two, leave yourself here. You leave your desires here, wherever you are. Meaning, don't go to Umrah as if you are going for vacation. You're not. You're going for a spiritual trip, the most spiritual trip, whether Umrah or Hajj, by the way, to please Him, to meet Him. He invited you as a special. He didn't invite anybody else. And number three, go to Him with an open book. He knows. And tell Him, Ya Allah, I am packing, I'm coming to you to purify me, to make me a better person, a better servant of yours. May Allah take us all there safely.